Hey, I'm Tommy Sutherland. I work with America's Home Place in Anderson, South Carolina. Just wanted to come out on the site and let you see what we do. This is one of my favorite parts of building a house. Come out on the site, meet with the customer, listen to kind of what their dreams are, how they want their house placed on the site, and just look at the front porch situation, make sure which way they want it to face, front door placement. Just make sure what their dream is also works with construction. But as we are moving forward with the house, getting the loans closed, all of a sudden the house starts appearing and they get excited, their dream coming true. But if you take a look, we got the siding on this one, we got the roof on it, the windows are in, they're working on the inside, trying to get everything on the inside finished up. But this is an exciting moment in their life. But we appreciate you coming out, looking at it with us, and come see us, americashomeplace.com, or come by the Anderson store, Clemson Boulevard, Anderson, South Carolina. Thank you.